I'm going to show a snap cut. A snap cut's a very useful cut for when you have objects below you, targets below you, like client property. We have a fence below us. So I want to really be able to guide this piece and make it land where I want it to land. So the first thing about snap cuts is practice in low risk scenarios, because it's really easy to get this wrong. We're going to just basically make our cuts bypass each other, and then we're going to be able to snap that piece off. All right. See, it's really dangerous to be trying to hold on to a piece like this while I'm using my chainsaw with one hand. That's really, really, really dangerous. So we don't like doing that if we can help it. So this is how you do a snap cut. Come in on that side. I go a little more than that way. Now, every species of wood is different. So this is red maple. I'm going to come in a little bit closer than I would with like a silver maple. Okay, and then like oak and tulip, they're all different. So you got to practice this each time with each one. But you saw that actually started to snap on its own, and that would have crushed the fence. Okay, we're going to do this again. You saw that piece just suddenly fell. Now I had already stowed my saw and I was able to grab it with two hands, but that's the danger with these snap cuts. You don't want to bypass your cuts too much that happens without you actually shaking it. Okay, this one is I'm gonna give it a little more space in between the cuts. Sometimes you can see the piece start to wobble a little bit, and that's more when you're doing a spar that's straight up and down. Notice that my cuts they're not coming in from this way underneath and then on top, because then this piece is already mostly horizontal, so it would really want to break under its own weight. So for these pieces that are more horizontal, like these branches like this, make your cuts overlap from the sides. Anyway, then when you're ready, just gonna shake it back and forth, and you'll hear it snap off, and you can control where it goes. This is a better diameter to practice on. It's not as big, it's not as heavy. With these smaller diameter trees, your cuts need to be farther apart. The bigger diameter pieces, typically your cuts will be closer together because the wood is stronger. So let's demonstrate it on this little bit of a horizontal branch stub. The goal is to just get it to where you can put that side leverage on it and it'll snap on off like so. Okay, but it's holding itself until you're ready to hold it. And that's a snap cut.